it's Sarah. Sorry if I look like really crazy right now. I'm in the middle of doing my makeup and I haven't even done my eyebrows yet, so I look a little weird. But it's Monday, September 30th, and I decided I wanted to vlog a week in my life at college again. Sorry it's been so long since my last upload. It has been so insanely busy with sorority stuff and everything else. But this week is homecoming week, so there's a lot of stuff going on, so I thought it'd be a really fun week to try and film for you guys. But yeah, I just have my first two classes, economics and accounting, and then I have a 2-hour break, which is right now. So I'm using that to do my makeup and get cute because we have a homecoming pep rally later and we're supposed to dress up kind of for it. Our school colors are green and gold, so you're about to see me decked out in that. But yeah, I'm not really doing anything right now. I'm just doing my makeup and then probably gonna go to my theater class, and then after that maybe the library. But I'll take you guys along with me wherever I go. My theater class is literally all the way across campus. Look at the shadows from my eyelashes. That's weird. Now I'm back at my dorm with nothing to do until the homecoming pep rally tonight at 9. Maybe I'll go to the library. I don't know. But right now, I'm just about to eat some tortilla chips and this cheese dip because I didn't eat lunch today.
Finally, I'm looking for you.
So it's after the pep rally. I've showered. I'm back in my dorm, and I think I'm about to go get Taco Bell and then go to bed. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm sorry, I'm literally the worst at vlogging. It's Tuesday, 5 or 6 o'clock? I think it's 6 o'clock. Tech's Got Talent is tonight, the Suck Talent show. There's just not going to be much footage from this day, so I'm really sorry. But I haven't done anything that interesting, so you're not really missing out.
Bailey's airdropping this picture of one of our members. It says, "Vote for her for homecoming queen." To everyone who saw it. Sorry. Update, I made a frog. I have the flyer because I'm bored. Oh.
Talent show's over and I went and got McDonald's, and now I'm back in my room and I'm listening to Jenna and Julian's podcast and doing my accounting homework. So that's how the rest of my night's gonna go. So I'll just talk to y'all tomorrow. That's really bright. Heading back to my dorm. about to probably do my makeup and either go to the library or go to Walmart and buy something for the toga party tomorrow. Woohoo!
We're Baz now. Cute day. I told you who it was.
I think that's just what they do too.
Just got back from Big Little shopping. About to be Mock Rock, which is like the dance lip sync competition for really anyone on campus who wants to join. So a couple of our sisters are in the FIMU lounge getting ready, and then we're gonna go head over to Mock Rock.
Are y'all really ready? All right. Team 2 is Zeta Tau Alpha along with Sigma Pi. We have Team 3. Are you all ready? Team 3 is FIMU. Oh, let's make some noise.
What I'm waiting my entire life for is a time machine. I'm going to transport us to the future.
Wait, Doc, I don't think this is the future. This looks like the 1920s.
Mr. Gatsby, I'm glad you made it.
Wait, Mr. Gatsby? Who's that?
A little party never kill nobody. We gon' dance until we drop. A little party never kill nobody.
Goes to 5U 18. They raised $476. First place, if you didn't know, is taking $1,000. So if that doesn't excite you a little bit more, is Delta Zeta.
I get random snacks like that too. Lately, I've been kind of sensitive about seeing stuff like that now. Because we've been talking a lot about shit like that. I'm like, oh, like I'm numb to it.
Time for business and professional speaking. Yay! That's my last class today. And when I get back, I'll probably work on my toga outfit. So, wish me luck with that. So, I'm back from class finally, but it let out 30 minutes early. Thank God. I'm actually gonna go get Sonic real quick before I do any homework or work on my toga outfit. So, look at that highlight though. It's just good lighting. Okay, so I actually went to go eat Baz with Bailey. Heading back to the dorm now. Look how pretty the background is. Look at our pretty sorority house. Oh my god. No, so I'm about to start my accounting homework and then work on my toga outfit, so that should be fun. Seriously, it's so cute. I can't get over it.
Then I'm just gonna be done because I'm tired.
This is just
Bitty, bitty, bitty.
If either of you want to start curling my hair while I do this, that's totally fine.
There's a YouTuber.
Oh,
Wait,
Took my hair out of the braid. I kind of like it.